Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to deposit crypto into RedotPay. Sending crypto to RedotPay might sound technical, but once you walk through it once, it's actually pretty straightforward. What I usually do is open the app, go to the home screen, tap on deposit. From there, I choose the crypto I want to send, like USDT, and then select the correct network. This part is really important. After that, Red.Pay gives me a wallet address or QR code. I copy that, then switch over to wherever my crypto is stored, like Binance, start a withdrawal. I paste the address, make sure the network matches exactly, enter the amount, and confirm. Once the transaction is sent, it takes a few confirmations on the blockchain before it shows up in my Red.Pay wallet. It's actually pretty quick, but I still keep an eye on it and just in case. In the end, in the end, as long as the address and network match, the whole process works smoothly without issues. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.